Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video, and guess what? I am doing a review video that I have been planning since a long ago. So yeah, I have three products with me today, which I'll be reviewing. These three products, I won't say, I'm really not saying you guys will like it, but yeah, I really love them because it really suits me. The texture, the things are really awesome. Everything is just awesome, I'll say. So yeah, really going straight to my video, I'll review three products, as I have said. So the first product that I am reviewing today is Faces Correct and Care Cream. So here is the cream. Actually, here is the box. It doesn't have any cream. Here is the cream. As you can see, it's an awesome cream. It's an awesome CC cream. It actually contains SPF 20, as you see there. It's written here, SPF 20. Along with this, it primes, it perfects and protects. I'm sorry, I'm just blocking the way. It's an awesome thing that I have been using since past 1 year. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm still very nervous, I'm still very excited, but yeah, I'll say it's a very awesome product. It's really awesome. Yeah, I'll show you, I'll swatch, I'll use it and I'll show you how it actually is. So yeah guys, here's, I'll use it. By the way, before using it, I would love to say it retails for $3.99. And here, if you are from Kolkata, then you can get this product. I got this from New View shop. That's in CC1 Salt Lake Sector 1. You can get it from there. Even there are some other shops. There's a store in Manik Square. You can get it from there. And yeah, if you are from other states, then I will say just go to any shopper stop nearby and ask if they have this or not. I really don't have this idea, but yeah, in Kolkata you can get this from CC1 or from Manik Square or any other store. It retails for $3.99, as I say, and I am using this shade called Natural. It's, I think, written over here. Yeah, you can see I'm using this shade Natural. And yeah, now I'll show you how perfect it is. I'm using a little amount, as you can see, just a bit. As you can see, have a look. Just a little amount. And yeah, I am using my beauty sponge to just blend it. I'll just go with just dot it down. Yeah, that much is enough, I will say, because it's really having a great coverage. Sorry guys, you can see it's awesome. It's just awesome. It gives you a flawless look. Just have a look. You can see the bags, but here you can't. It's just awesome. I just can't. As you can see, have a look. Just have a look. This side and this side, it's just awesome. You can use your fingers too, but yeah, don't just dab the product, because whenever you are dabbing the product, you are like, it's perfectly blended. So yeah, I'm really going softly. As you can see, And here I'm again dabbing the product, and it's wonderful. Here I'm dabbing it. So yeah, now you can see my face. It's an awesome product. I really recommend it for any type of skin. I mean, it's an awesome product. So okay, I'm done with this. Now I'll go to my next product. I really don't know whether you'll get this product outside Kolkata or not. I'm really not sure, but yeah, if you are in Kolkata, then I'll really recommend this product. And I'll mention the name of this product is Kamuda Beeswax and Olive Oil Lip Balm. It's a lip balm that I really prefer. It's an awesome lip balm. I actually got this from a store named Bailoom, which actually keeps handmade products. I actually got some saris from there, and where I really noticed this product. I mean, it's an awesome thing, and really great to say is it only retails for 70 rupees. I mean, it's so cheap and it's so awesome. I mean, you guys can really get this. Another thing, Bailoom has its two stores there in Kolkata. One is in Goriahat and the other is in City Center, CC1. I mean to say City Center 1 in Salt Lake Sector 1. And you can get this product over there, and it's an awesome, I'm showing you the product. It's an awesome lip balm. It's an awesome lip balm. I think I'll just show you. Have a look. I just got a little bit of it and I'm applying it on my lips. Look. As you can see, it's very moisturizing, it's very soothing. It has that smell, it has that, buttery smell. I mean, that wax, not like it's a very buttery, it's actually very buttery, and it has that smell too. And I really love this product. I mean, it's an awesome product. Yeah, so I'm completed with my 2 products already. Now I'll go to my third product, which is an eyebrow pencil. You can have a look. It's an eyebrow pencil, and you can see the brand name. It's New You, and again this store is in CC1 Salt Lake, and I think it's an awesome product. I mean, normally we say that don't use a black eyebrow pencil, because it actually gives you a very bushy look. I mean, it's actually very makes you look अजीब, बहुत अजीब दिखता है normally अगर कोई just go with it. But yeah, I really love this product because normally, look at me, I'll be using it, and just have a look. I'm going very, very, I mean, light-handed. Go just light-handed, and you just see. I'll just comb this area a bit, which actually, see. Just go very light-handed. See the difference. I mean, I love having this thick eyebrows. I mean, I really don't know others will love it or not, but yeah, I really love it. अगर मैंने दूसरे में नहीं लगाया तो it will look अजीब. So yeah, I am applying it on the other two. And yeah, remember, please go light-handed, because being a black eyebrow pencil, it will just ruin your makeup. It will just ruin. Can just ruin your makeup. So yeah, really go light-handed. So yeah, that's all for today. And yeah, I'll complete my look with one of my favorite lipstick that I really got newly. I mean, it has been launched very newly, and yeah, I love this thing. It's lip crayon, Lakme Enrich lip crayons in the shade Mauve Magic. I really love this color, and yeah, I'll really complete this look. As you can see, the color, I mean, sorry. and see the color. It's awesome. I will swatch it for you guys. So yeah, here is the swatch. You can see it. It's an awesome mauve color. I really love it. So yeah, I'll complete the look with this. You can see it's awesome. It's an awesome color, I mean to say. And yeah, the thing that I have already used is Kamuda Bewax, this Oliver lip balm, and it will really, it's a matte color. I mean, it's a matte crayon. These are matte crayons, and after some time, it's just it may bring a dryness. So yeah, just to avoid that drying thing, I mean, that patchy na lage, I really use this, and it works awesomely. I mean, it's really an awesome product. Yeah, you can see I'm done with my look tonight. So yeah, that's all for tonight, and yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, as well as please do subscribe to my channel. And that's all for tonight, and thank you. Bye. Good night. Bye.